Hello guys, today I've got the Apple AirPods Max 2 and I'm going to show you how to use the Siri commands with your AirPods. The first thing actually you need to have set in your headphones is Siri. And why is that? You need to just have it set up and your voice and everything will be nice. So here in the settings, scroll down to Siri. Here, as you can see, set your language. Here, talk to Siri. Now tap talk to Siri. And now, here, either from off, say tap either Siri or Hey Siri. Once it's done, now you have it set. You can actually adjust your voice, adjust your voice to the command so it will work flawlessly. But I don't really think that it's the thing that matters. So now, once it's done, the button for the Siri is digital crown over here. So let me now wear my headphones, take them on, and now, as you can see, I'm connected. So let me disable the ANC because I am actually I actually don't like it. So now, as you can see with the button, Siri works flawlessly. So set an alarm for tomorrow at 2 a.m. Siri, set an alarm for tomorrow at 2 a.m. Siri,
set your alarm for 2 a.m.
Disable this alarm. My private Siri even is now turned on. Okay, so now Siri, disable my alarms. Siri, enable my alarm. Siri, delete my alarm. I deleted your 2 o'clock alarm. As you can see, that's how it works. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.